Hello class, welcome to week 6 of personal finance. Let's take a quick look at what we have going on this week. Zoom in a little bit here for down to week 6. Okay, so in week 6 we are wrapping up unit 3 and there is a writing assignment, flexible expenses. That's where you do some research and you find an article that talks about, well, let's pull it up real quick here. You should be finding an article either based on using savings, teenagers and marketing, using income, or spending mistakes. So find an article, you can just Google search and make sure it's like a legit article, not just a random web page though, and then write a 1.5 to 2 page response to the article and include how the information you learned has helped you understand this article choice. So kind of just summarize the article for me and maybe point out some either mistakes that you found that people were making in the article or some good advice that the article offered and how to counteract your spending mistakes, so maybe ways to save money instead of spend money. So pretty easy assignment, just find an article of your choice and write a summary and then kind of a reflection on what you took away from that article. So that assignment is due this week, and then you also have the exam for this week. So not a lot going on this week, except one thing I would advise, we will be moving into Unit 4, and you have there are several assignments that are piled up on you next week. So if I were you, I would get these 2 assignments knocked out right away, and then maybe even finish up this journal and banking quiz. That way you get them done and out of the way, and you only have these things to worry about next week, because this project insurance is a lot like the one that we did for credit, our project on credit cards and debt. So kind of another big assignment there. So again, you might want to try and get to at least this banking quiz by Friday of this week. And as you do move into Unit 4 and you get into the insurance section, I have this mind map here that I would like you to fill out. So I suggest that you open up before you even start the reading on the insurance, and I even have a video about how I want you to go through and fill this out. This is a grade. I've added it to the grade book and I actually replaced it. I took out a journal, so it's an even trade. So as you're reading through insurance, you're going to be filling out this mind map. Watch the video over it, because I just kind of explain what I'm looking for in each of these bubbles, because insurance is a big topic and it gets kind of confusing because they throw a lot at you in a very short amount of time. So I found that it's really easier to kind of organize your thoughts with this mind map as you're reading through it. So you can download the mind map by clicking on that link here, and it has it in a Word document, and so you will just you'll just type right into these bubbles your responses and so on. So then once you have that completed, you can use that for the rest of the course to help you with the exam, to help you with the insurance project, and whatever you need to do. So that should be it for this week. Again, we're finishing up Unit 3, moving into Unit 4, and I would suggest again to try and get as far as this banking quiz by the end of the week, just so you can have less of a load next week, because then we're almost done. So keep working hard, everybody, and let me know if you have any questions. Tomorrow is our Class Connect at 11 a.m. We will be discussing, we'll be moving into Unit 4, so about banking and different types of accounts and stuff like that. So hopefully you're done with the unit exam for Chapter 3 by then, and we can start on Unit 4 tomorrow. See you then.